Good morning, this is Frenzy Sharma. What's your name?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Muskan.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jasprit Singh.
Okay, Muskan, your serial number is 79 and Jasprit, yours is 80. Muskan, if you get a chance to migrate from your own hometown to someone else, then where would you like to go?
I would like to go to Goa.
Goa, wow, why?
It's a very nice place to roam about, and my brother also lives there.
Okay, please start with your topic.
My topic is tolerance is essential for mankind. Tolerance plays a very important role in our life. Without tolerance, the love would be perish. So we must have tolerance because without it, love would perish. Tolerance is not a weakness. In fact, it is a strength. So we should not tolerate them who harm us. God leaves this earth which is very beautiful. So live with love, and if not love, at least with tolerance. Man can conquer two things only by tolerance, that is, avarice and desires. So we can love all. We can't love all, but we can tolerate all.
Okay, that's it. Please ask your question.
Do you think tolerance is a weakness for some?
No, tolerance is not a weakness. In fact, it is a sign of strength.
What kind of people are liked by most?
Those persons who have tolerance are liked by everyone.
Okay, Muskan, do you have the tolerance power?
Yeah, I have.
So you mean to say that you can tolerate everything?
No, sometimes it goes to the up and
Sometime you became hyper, right?
yeah.
Okay, Jasprit, my question for you is, will you please tell me about your eating habits?
I like both house cooked and junk food.
Okay.
In junk food, I like pizza, burger, and in house cooked food, I like mustard curry.
Okay, please start with your topic.
Ma'am, my topic is Indian culture. The culture of India is a way of the living of the people of India. India's language, religion, dance, music, architecture, food, customs differ from place to place within the country. The Indian culture often acts as an amalgamation of several cultures. India culture is among the world's oldest. Civilization in India began about 4500 years ago. The most well-known example for the Indian architecture is Taj Mahal, which was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to honor his third wife Mumtaz Mahal. He combines the elements from Islamic, Persian, Ottoman, Turkish, and as well as Indian architecture style. India has also many Asian temples, but in today's time, we as Indians, our responsibility is to protect them so that our future generation could know the importance and value of these structures. Thank you.
Okay, please ask your question.
What are the elements of Indian culture?
The elements of Indian cultures are Indian religion, Indian philosophy, and Indian cuisines.
Okay, what did Shah Jahan build and for whom?
Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal, and it's a tourist spot now. And he built for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal.
Okay, the last one. What is the meaning of phrase you used in your topic?
The meaning of the phrase that Sa Pratham Sanskriti Vishwavara,
Yeah.
it means the first and the supreme culture of the world.
Okay, students, now I'm going to give you a cue card, and your cue card is, your friend is good at English, history and geography. However, his parents feel he should continue to pursue science and become a doctor. But he don't like science and he don't want to become a doctor. Now, what your friend can do to convince his parents? Yes, Muskan.
He should be firm with his decision that if he wants to do, he can do it. He should say that, Papa, I want to do it and I will do it and get success in that.
Okay, so you mean to say that he'll do whatever he want to do. Okay,
Yeah.
yes, you Jasprit?
I think he should pursue that stream in which his interest is good, and he's more specific toward his goal, so that he could choose that stream and able to get good marks, and also
Okay, what career option he could pursue? In a humanities stream, in art stream, what career option he could pursue?
He could pursue for fine arts,
Okay.
management, hotel management,
Mm-hmm.
and many more. Like he could go for English honors, MA English, MSc
and earn
Economics.
his livelihood, right?
Yeah.
Anything else regarding this cue card?
He has interest in it, so he should go for that
Okay.
because he will love enjoying it.
Okay.
I think the children must be specific toward their goals, and the parents must know that importance of the
The interest,
interest
of
of the
child.
students.
And from the beginning also we must settle down a goal. Okay, we want to do this and we'll go for that. Okay.
The parents should not force him.
Okay. Parents shouldn't force their child. Okay.
Like there is a movie Three Idiots. There is a very good moral lesson
Okay. So
about it.
according to you, every parents must see that movie.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.